Funny hamster. Meet our little hero, the funny hamster. He's small, furry, and full of heart. His antics are sure to make you smile from ear to ear. Watch as he scampers around, exploring his world. He loves to play and discover new things. You'll be surprised at his boundless energy. Don't miss his funny attempts to stuff his cheeks full of food. It's a sight that's both adorable and hilarious. Even when he's resting, our hamster is entertaining. Who knew such a small creature could snore so loudly? Join us on this delightful journey. Let the laughter begin with our funny hamster.